How to access files on an iPhone. To access files on an iPhone, first of all, go ahead and swipe down. Then, go to the search bar and type Files. Tap on it. Once you're in, go to the Browse option in the bottom corner of your screen. Then, tap on the iCloud storage folder. Here, you will be able to see all the saved files on your iCloud. Then, tap Backspace and open the On My iPhone folder to view the files inside. Here, you can find all the files that are saved on your iPhone. Tap on the three dots over here. Now, select the New Folder option from the menu. Create a new folder and tap on Done on your keyboard. There you go, you have created a folder. Now you can put your files here and view them. By following these simple steps, you can easily access files on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.